Hi, this is eLearn Academia and you're watching our YouTube channel. Dashboard skills are a must-have in the corporate world. If you can build great dashboards, it gets easier to analyze large amounts of data. So let's talk about this e-commerce dashboard of a company which is currently selling 4 products in 7 regions. This dashboard is quite useful for gaining product insights which enable quick and effective business decisions. In this video, I'm sharing number of charts and graphs. The first one is the sales revenue, which represents the total sales revenue trend from January 2020 to September 2020. The second graph is the unit sold, which represents the total units sold in the 9 months of period. The third one is the sales revenue by geography, which represents the 7 regions. The darker one represents the highest total revenue and the brighter one represents the lowest revenue. The fourth one and the last is the sales revenue by product. Each bar represents a separate product and its trend over the time period. And this section represents slices: date, product, country, region. By using these slices, we will control our dashboard and we will see our data in a very dynamic way. Now, for example, we want to know how many units we have sold to Brazil and what was the total sales revenue. So just click on it, to Brazil. There you go. We see that from February to September we have a declining trend of sales revenue. 588 units of shoes sold and 458 glasses sold, 889 watches were sold. 1,47,021 was the total revenue, and this is the sales revenue by the product. Now let's see China stats. Let's click China. There you go. We have almost stable total sales revenue. We sold around 738 glasses, 922 shoes, 1176 watches. The total revenue was 2,41,360, and this is the sales revenue by product, where we see that the watches have almost stable revenue stream throughout the 9 months period. And in August we sold 0 units of watches to China. Now let's filter the data by months. First, unfilter it. Alright, let's see the January stats. Alright, the sales revenue was around 30,000, and the glasses sold 150, 47 shirts sold, 117 shoes were sold, 144 watches sold, and the darker side represents the 12,347. The highest revenue was recorded from the Australia, and the almost same revenue recorded from the other regions. And this is the by product range. We have the most of the sales revenue are from watches, and the least revenue was recorded from the shirts. Let's see this on the date of July. Alright, on July we have a total sales revenue of around 1,77,000. We sold 145 glasses, 567 shoes, 1210 watches, and Australia is still in the limelight. 50,561 highest revenue recorded from Australia, and the lowest revenue was from, that is 13,540 from Brazil. And watches are again at the higher side, but now the glasses took the lower area, which was 6,525 sales revenue from glasses, in the month of July. Now let's combine all 3 filters together. So first, unfilter it. Alright, let's say in the month of April, how many shoes we sold to China. There you go. We sold 110 units of shoes, and the total revenue was 7,370, and that's the highest revenue. And let's see how many shirts we sold to Japan. In the month of April, the revenue was 9,120. From the shirts, we sold 285 units. So that's how you can analyze your data and evaluate product demand, and develop your sales and marketing strategy, and offer discounts and charge premium based on historical trends. So this dashboard is very useful for you if you are in a e-commerce business or anything similar to that. And this tutorial was just an introduction to building this dashboard. In my next tutorial, we will dig further into these charts and learn how to create them from the scratch. So stay tuned.